In the spinal lateral flexion, our feet are back to diamond shape because it opens us up a little bit better. Make sure, I like to pull out my butt a little bit so that I sit quite nicely on those sit bones. My feet don't have to be together, but they are drawn together, at least by the heels. From here, my arms come out and I pick up my elbows so they're not flabbing here. This is never a very nice look, but the moment I pick my elbows up, I guess you should see on the camera, this looks a little bit nicer, a little more appealing. From there, your arms are in front of you as if you're hugging something, and we're going to inhale, coming across, and exhale, pick it up. Inhale, we go over. Again, we use recoil as if there was a spring, and again, we go over and return. Inhale and stretch. Make sure you're not leaning too far back. You're still against an imaginary wall. Shoulder down, picking up. Inhale again, go over. And exhale, you return. In your lateral flexions, what we are addressing is what we call our side body. So all the muscles and all the tissue which are linked and connected on the sides of our body. It is also considered as our hearing line. This is where emotionally, if we don't want to listen, we tend to get a little bit more stuck and a little bit more tight. It is also called our fish body, but because before we had arms and legs, we through evolution ran through life going like this, fighting our way through water. So this is our body that needs to free up to have more space in our ribcage and also more space in our waistline. These are the muscles that we also need to mobilize to have better breathing. And in today's world, we do not have enough rotation. We do not have enough lateral flexion. Think of a time in the day where you are leaning over like this. It hardly ever happens, and we don't have enough extension, which are the movements which are coming next.